Hey everyone, welcome to InnoCodia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add low stock alert badges to your WooCommerce store using a plugin that creates urgency and gets you more sales. There's actually two other ways you could do this: WooCommerce's built-in notice or custom code. But here's the thing, the built-in option only shows on the single product page, so it doesn't really create urgency where it matters. And custom code works, but unless you enjoy debugging PHP at 2 AM, it's probably not the move. So the easiest way? A plugin. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using Better Badge. Let's see how it works. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. I'm already logged into my site here. First, we need to check a couple things. Go to WooCommerce settings, click the products tab, then inventory. Make sure stock management is enabled by checking this box. Then fill in the low stock threshold to your liking here. And go to products. I'm choosing a random product to edit. Scroll down to product data, click inventory, and enable stock tracking for this product. Input the current quantity. I'm putting a low value on purpose so it triggers the low stock threshold. And update the product. Alright, now that that's checked, go to plugins and click on add plugin. Type in Better Badge by InnoCodia on the search bar, and this is the plugin we're going to use. The install button isn't showing here because I already have it installed. You will see it on your end. Click install and then activate it. If you are on the free version, that's all you need to do here, and if you have the pro version, just upload the pro zip file and enter your license key to activate it. Before we create a badge, let's set up a filter first. You can think of it as the rule that tells your badge exactly when you want it to show up. Go ahead and click on filters in your sidebar and add a new filter. Give it a title. I'll call mine low stock filter. Click on add condition group and select stock quantity from the drop-down. Then set your comparison condition, either equal to or less than or equal to, depending on how you want it to trigger. I'll go with less than or equal to. And enter your threshold. This is the stock number at which you want the badge to kick in. A good starting point is anywhere between 5 and 10, but it really depends on your products and how fast they move. I'll set mine to 5. Hit save and we're good to go. Now let's create the badge. Click on badges and create badge. We need a title for the badge and I'm calling it low stock warning. Next, choose which products to apply the badge to. You can see there are 3 options here. If you're on a smaller store, all or selected works just fine honestly. Your stock is low anyway. It'll sell out before it becomes a problem to manage manually. But if you're running a bigger catalog with hundreds of products, this is where the filter that comes with the Pro version saves you. Click on Advanced Filter and select the filter we just created from the drop-down. This means the badge will automatically apply to any product falling below the threshold you set earlier. Right here, you can see the badge templates with quite a few good-looking options to choose from. You can skip this entirely and build everything from scratch, but choosing a template saves you time by giving you a solid starting point. I'm choosing the low stock template and see how it fills in with all the details automatically. And over on the right, you can see the preview already shows exactly how it's going to look on your store. From here, you can customize it and make it yours. You can change the badge text to whatever feels right for your store. Something short and urgent works best. You can put low stock, almost gone, or if you really want to dial up the urgency, try only stock quantity left. This little placeholder automatically pulls the live stock count for each product. So while one product will say only 3 left, another will say only 1 left, and that will happen all by itself. Pretty cool. Just keep in mind that placeholders are a pro feature. On the free version, you can use static texts like low stock or almost gone, which still works great. While you're here, you can also adjust the font size and font weight to make it stand out. You can control the dimensions by height and width or by padding, and adjust the border and border radius. Let's try a larger font, say 15, And let's bump up the top padding a bit. There we go, that looks better. And let's try a bit of radius on the right. Nah, the radius isn't looking good on this particular badge, so I'll leave it at 0. And of course, you can change the background color, text color, and border color. For low stock badges, I'd recommend going with red, orange, or amber. They naturally signal urgency to shoppers. The default color on this template already does the job, so I'm leaving it as is. Now choose your badge position. You want it visible but not in the way. Top left and top right work best for most stores. For this one, the top right looks good to me. And if something looks slightly off on your theme, you can always tweak the margin, z-index, and opacity controls down below. I'll leave those as they are for now. And here we have badge animations. There's pulse, bounce, wiggle, flash, and a few more to choose from. I'll go with pulse. It's subtle and draws the eye without being distracting, which is perfect for a low stock badge. This one's on Pro, and it's one of those things you don't realize you want until you see it. The same goes for badge shapes. You can pick from the presets or go fully custom by dragging the edge points yourself. It's pretty flexible. I'll let you play around with it. You might find something that fits your brand perfectly. And with that, everything's looking good. So let's save the badge. Here's the badge we just created. You can see it under badges. From here, you can flip it on or off anytime and edit it whenever you need to, or even duplicate it if you want to create variations from it. Alright, time for the fun part. Let's go check the store and see how it looks. And there it is. The badge shows up automatically on low stock items, letting shoppers know exactly which ones they need to grab fast. There you go, guys. Now you know how to add low stock alert badges to your WooCommerce store using Better Badge. The download link is in the description. You can go give it a try. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments. We read every single one. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe to InnoCodia for more. And that's all she wrote. See you in the next one.